welcome back to my YouTube channel Mr. Facts and Experiments. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So today we are going to do a very easy and interesting experiment. Hope you like the video. Take a piece of paper, then put some matchsticks over its one end, and then using a round object, roll the paper. Then twist the end of the paper where you have kept the matchsticks. After that, place the paper over any object and burn the upper part of the paper. Now you all can observe the smoke.